In this video, I'm going to teach you a remate por tangos. A remate in flamenco is any kind of animated, percussive kind of step, usually involving stamping, clapping and slapping. This remate can be learnt by beginners, intermediates, even advanced. I'll show you the steps simply, we'll take it slowly. I'll show you the feet first because they're quite simple, and then we'll put in the directions, the arms and the head. And that's where it can get a little bit tricky, but I know you can do it. We'll practice the remate with some solo compás, starting slowly and then building the tempo, and finally we'll put out remate with some tangos music. Hi, I'm Belinda the flamenco coach, and welcome to my channel. I'm here to teach you how to dance flamenco easily. I believe anyone can learn how to dance flamenco at any age, at any stage, even if you've never danced before. First, I'll show you the remate. We're in the compás of tangos, so that goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look at just the feet first. So we're starting with a stamp on the right on count 1. 1, 2, count 2 is nothing. Then we're doing a stamp on the left with count 3. 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. With those stamps, I'm bringing the foot out in front of me and doing a stamp in front with my foot on a slight angle to make it look nice. For dancing, we don't want to really be going straight forward. We just want to have a bit of a turn out. It doesn't have to be a lot, just whatever you can manage. So those are the first two stamps. We have counts 1 and 3, right and left. 1, 2, 3. I'll turn and face the back so you can follow along. We have 1, 2, 3. And again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you can see I did there on count 4, as soon as I did the swivel, I swiveled back straight away. So it wouldn't really be on the 4, and it's even really just straight after the 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is right, right, left, right, right, left. Now that can be a double stamp on the right with a stamp on the left, or we can also do heel, stamp, stamp. So whichever feels more comfortable to you, stamp, 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 or heel, stamp, stamp, heel, stamp, stamp. And they will come in after the 1 on counts and 2 and 3. We have 4, we turn back, 1 and 2 and 3. From the top with just the feet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. And what I've been doing, so that's the end of the remate, but I like to just do a little heel on count 4 because that can push us into our next step, which would be most likely marking or whatever we're doing. So whether we're doing a little walk around or just marking on the spot, a little heel can help get us keeping with the compás and moving into the next step. So let's just do those feet again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. That's the feet. Let's now put our directions with it. We start going straight, and as I said, we're putting our feet in a little turnout position. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4, we want to swivel to face the side, and then we want to come straight back. So our feet are going to stay in place, but our body is going to come back straight away. Let's have a look at that. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a little bit of a surprise. And so from here, with our feet facing the side but our bodies to the front, we want to, as we do the next step, move it around more towards the front or whichever direction we're going to be going into next. But for now we'll just head to the front. So we're here, our body's facing the front, and with the feet, and a 2 and a 3. We're just going to get our direction of our bodies facing more to the front. Let's give that a go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and a 2 and a 3. So we have the feet and the directions. Now let's put in some arms with it. For the first stamp, we're going to have our right foot coming out in front, and then our arms are going to come up and over to our right hip. So, and we can do a little grab as we go if you want to, or a little flick of the wrist just to accent that. So we have 1, 2, 3. So when we do the next leg on the left, we're going to bring our arms from our right hip over to the left hip. And we want our arms to meet our hip on the counts 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. And what I'm also doing with my body is turning it as well. So I'm keeping my hips square to the front, feet slightly turned out, and we want to use our shoulders to give it some accent as well as the hands. Accent it. So we have, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll turn and face the back. Let's give that a go. The 2 stamps with the hands. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's carry on after that. 1, 2, 3, 4. What I'm doing next on the count 4, from my hands on my left hip, just bringing them down by my side, a little bit relaxed but not too relaxed. So we're just here and we do the little shake back to the front, and then for counts 2 and 3, I'm just going to bring my arms out to the side, and then on the little dig at the end, a little accent at the top. So we have and a 2 and a 3. So we can use that little dig on count 4 to move our arms into whatever's appropriate for our next step. From here, we have our 4, 1 and a 2 and a 3. We can also, if you prefer, you can just bring your arms out in front, and a 2 and a 3. Whatever feels good to you and whatever you want to be doing for the next step. So let's put that all together from the top. We have, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4, 1. Okay, that's the step in full, and let's now put it with some solo compás. We'll just run it through a couple of times. I'll start with a slow solo compás, then I'll put the tempo up, and finally let's put out a remate with some beautiful tangos music. This is the solo compás at 90 beats per minute in the compás of tangos. Let's have a listen. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Let's practice our remate a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. increase the tempo now to 110 beats per minute. Let's practice our remate a few times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 'Let's put our remate with the beautiful Tangos letra. We will time it to come in with the end of the letra. And in between we'll do some improvised marking. How fun was that? Did you enjoy using that remate with the tangos music? I hope so. And if you did find it a little bit fast, just remember you can use the settings icon in YouTube to slow down the music a little bit. And it's always a good idea to start slowly while we're building up that muscle memory and getting our moves ready and locked in. And then I'm sure you'll be able to get it going at full speed in no time. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a nice thumbs up so I know you had fun too. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and you like learning how to dance flamenco easily, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'll be coming back with some more videos to teach you how to dance flamenco. Until next time, bye!